Hey guys, this is Riley here, and today I want to show you a big special, which here is a setting with the fire alarm pole station and a orange strobe fire alarm, which looks, and here what it look like. Go plug it, pull it down, activate it. I accidentally made the pole station. Let me fix it. I got the Lego minifig out of the way. And here's the Lego female. It looks like she's gonna get ready to activate that fire alarm and cause a false alarm. Let me adjust. There. Yeah, is what it looks like. It's gonna activate the alarm for another false, so a false, and it'll make a false alarm happen. And in here, I used 2x bricks to make this setting. Back here, there's a little window, and it's all just brick mostly. And I even put this bench down here for people to sit down at. And the base plate is just a green 16x16 base plate. This could go good in any brick film and such. And here's and then I'm gonna make it over. Here is the over.
So when you're done, you want to do something?
Yeah. And sorry for the interruption. My dad was asking me a question. So let's put the minifig and make it like a closer overview. And let me get that back on. There we go. Like that. She'll go to activate it. Go, and everyone would be leaving the building. And she'd be leaving the building too. So this is one of my custom settings. Thanks so much for watching. And please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And get notifications to see other videos. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.